Welcome back to Talk Maya. Thanks for joining us for another round of real, everyday English. Today, we're diving into something everyone can talk about: daily routines. All right, let's warm up. How are you doing today?
I'm feeling good, thanks. How about you?
Honestly, I am a bit tired.
Oh, what happened?
I woke up really early on Saturday and Sunday.
On the weekend? Why so early?
Saturday, I took my dog for a long morning walk. Sunday, I cleaned my apartment. Busy weekend.
Sounds like it. Mine was easier. I watched a movie and had coffee with a friend.
That sounds a lot nicer. Hopefully, next weekend, I get to rest a bit.
I hope so too.
Let's talk about mornings. What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7. I stay in bed for 10 minutes checking the news on my phone before I really get up.
I do that too. And after that?
I get up, make my bed, then head to the bathroom.
First thing for me is brushing my teeth.
Same. I brush my teeth, wash my face with cold water, and take a shower.
I shower too, but with hot water. Really hot.
That sounds relaxing. After my shower, I get dressed.
What do you wear to work?
No uniform. Comfortable stuff. Jeans and a t-shirt, or a simple shirt.
I wear jeans too, but usually with a blouse or sweater so I look more professional.
Makes sense. Then I go eat breakfast. I'm always hungry in the morning.
What's your usual breakfast?
Coffee and toast. Fast and easy.
I love breakfast. Yogurt with fruit or scrambled eggs. And tea. Always tea.
You don't drink coffee?
Nope. Green tea for me.
More coffee for me then. After breakfast, I wash my dishes.
Same. I hate a sink full of dirty dishes. How do you get to work?
Bus. The stop is super close, like 2 minutes away.
Nice. How long is the ride?
About 20 minutes. I listen to music.
I walk to work. It's close.
Lucky. What time do you start?
9. You?
Same. When I arrive, I open everything. Lights on, computer on, register on. I prepare the space.
Do you get customers early?
Not really. Mornings are quiet. Sometimes I read or organize things.
Sounds peaceful. My mornings are busy. I check emails, set up the classroom, prepare lessons, write on the board, teach 3 classes.
That's a lot. Do you get breaks?
A short one at 11:30. I go to the teacher's room, have tea, talk to colleagues.
My workplace is small, only 2 colleagues. Do you like yours?
Yes, they're great. Sometimes we eat lunch together. Both of us usually eat lunch at 1.
I bring food from home.
I eat in the cafeteria.
After lunch, I get sleepy, but afternoons get busy with customers.
Same. I still have classes, so no time to nap.
I finish work at 5.
I finish at 6. Then I close up. Clean, turn things off, lock up. First thing I do when I get home is change into comfortable clothes.
Same. Dinner is usually quick. Pasta, chicken with rice, salad, soup, or fish with veggies.
If I'm too tired, I just order something.
After dinner, I wash dishes right away. I can't leave them.
Same. Then I relax. Documentary, reading, or call my family.
I usually watch a comedy series or play video games with friends.
Do you exercise?
I walk a lot. What about you?
Gym twice a week.
Nice. I also have weekly things. Book club, coffee with friends.
Before bed, I brush my teeth, wash my face, set my alarm.
Same. Sometimes I read, sometimes I scroll on my phone, even though I know it ruins sleep.
What time do you sleep?
Between 11 and midnight.
You? Same. I get about 7 to 8 hours.
So earlier we talked about our routines, but real life isn't always so perfect, right?
Definitely not. Some mornings I wake up late, skip breakfast, and rush like a crazy person.
Ugh, I've been there. What's the worst late morning experience you've had?
Once I overslept, ran out the door, and halfway to work I realized I forgot my shoes.
Wait, no shoes?
Socks only. I had to run back home.
That sounds like a nightmare morning.
What about you? Any morning disasters?
I once spilled my entire breakfast smoothie on my shirt. And of course, that's the one day I didn't have a spare shirt.
Classic. So you had to work like that.
Yep, smelling like bananas and yogurt all morning. Let's talk about routines we wish we had.
I wish I woke up 1 hour earlier.
What would you do with that hour?
Stretch, meditate, drink coffee slowly, basically not be rushed.
That sounds nice. I always say I want to do yoga in the morning, but
But you don't.
nope, I just scroll on my phone.
The phone wins every time.
Let's switch to mental routines. Things you do for your mind.
Good idea. For me, journaling helps. I write 3 things I'm grateful for.
Really? Every day?
Not every day, but maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
I like that. My mental routine is simple. I take 10 minutes with no sound, no phone, no talking. Just sitting.
How does it help?
My mind gets quiet. It feels like I clean up my brain.
That actually sounds amazing.
What new habit are you trying to add this month?
Drinking more water. I forget.
Oh, same. I drink tea all day, but actual water, not enough.
And you?
I'm trying to walk more. After dinner, especially.
Evening walks are great. Help sleep, too.
Let's talk about cooking, because a lot of people struggle there.
Yeah, some people think cooking takes forever.
What's your go-to quick dinner?
Pasta with garlic and olive oil. 10 minutes. Done.
Mine is eggs. Omelet, scrambled eggs, boiled eggs. Eggs solve everything.
True. Eggs are like magic food.
What about nights? Do you sleep easily?
Not always. Sometimes I can't turn my brain off.
Same. What do you do when you can't sleep?
I try reading or I listen to rain sounds.
Rain sounds help me too, or breathing exercises.
What ruins your sleep the most?
Screen time. If I watch videos before bed, I'm done.
Oh, that's me every night.
So, we covered mornings, afternoons, evenings. Let's talk about weekly routines.
Good idea. I need weekly structure or I feel lost.
Same. What part of your week do you look forward to?
Sundays. Cleaning, doing laundry, preparing meals for the week.
So you like the reset day.
Exactly. What about you?
Friday evenings. After work, I get a treat, like bubble tea or a pastry.
A reward for surviving the week.
Exactly. Want to do a quick challenge?
Sure, what is it?
Describe your morning routine in exact order in 20 seconds.
Okay. Wake up, stretch, check my phone, get up, shower, brush my teeth, get dressed, make breakfast, eat, wash dishes, leave for work.
Nice. Now, afternoon routine.
Work, lunch, more work, talk to coworkers, finish up tasks, clean workspace, take bus home.
Not bad. Want me to do one?
Go for it.
Wake up, tea, shower, get ready, prepare materials, work, teach classes, lunch, meetings, walk home, change clothes, cook dinner, relax, sleep.
Your day is packed.
Let's talk about vacation routines. Do you keep your routine or throw it away?
Throw it away. Completely.
Same. I sleep more, eat whenever I want, no alarms. What's your ideal vacation morning?
Wake up slowly, quiet breakfast, maybe walk somewhere new.
That mine is waking up at the beach, drinking coffee outside, watching the water.
That sounds peaceful. Okay, let's play. What if you had to change one part of your daily routine forever?
I would change my wake-up time. Earlier, but magically without feeling tired.
Nice. I'd change my commute. Teleportation. Work in 1 second.
That would be amazing. Before we wrap up, here are some questions for our listeners. What part of your daily routine do you enjoy the most? What part do you want to change? What's one small habit that makes your day better?
Leave your answers below. We'd love to hear your routines.
And we'll continue this topic in the next episode: morning hacks, time management tricks, and easy English for describing your daily life.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
See you next time on Talk Maya.